Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You cannot get step-by-step help from me to defeat a pattern lock. Instead, start by gathering proof of ownership, receipt, photo ID, and the device model or IMEI so you can verify you are the owner. Once done, sign into the same Google account linked to the phone from another device. This matters for legitimate recovery options. Make sure to note whether you have a recent backup because some recovery routes will erase data. Contact options come next. If you have access to the phone's linked Google account, use Google Find My Device to locate the phone or perform a secure erase. Erasing removes the lock but deletes data, so proceed only if you accept that. Once done, contact Lenovo support or an authorized service center. Provide proof of ownership and IMEI to request service. Make sure to ask about reinstallation of firmware and whether they will perform a factory reset or help you recover accounts legally. These are official. The final, practical option when legitimate recovery fails is a factory reset via the device's recovery mode or an authorized technician. Remember, a reset will erase all user data. If you go to a service center, make sure they document proof of ownership and explain any warranty impact. Once you regain access, immediately enable regular backups and confirm account credentials to avoid future lockouts. Troubleshooting tip: if the Google account sign-in doesn't work,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.